Hey, Oracle Crypto family, today is a really exciting day. So the PrivacySwap pools, the PrivacySwap farms have just gone live. Um, I am so impressed with this project so far. A mere $800 investment has returned me close to $5,000 already. And you can see the price is now, it's only at $9.60. I believe at the rate this project is going, we're going to see a triple digit figure here, through in the next few months. And the beautiful thing is while we are farming, while we're staking our liquidity there, um, we not only benefit from all the transactions that go through that liquidity pair. Through that pool. So anytime, let's say for example, for me, I'm going to be adding to the BNB PRV liquidity pool. Anytime someone swaps PRV for BNB or BNB for PRV, we receive a portion of those transaction fees. So on top of earning there and the LP token farming, we're also benefiting from the increase in price as the platform gains popularity. Um, already I'm over the moon. Only regret I have is not buying more. $800 has now become about 5,000, and I've just removed the liquidity from Pancake. Now it is time to go ahead and get the farms up and running. So if you guys have some PRV tokens that you want to put to work, this is what you're going to have to do to go ahead and get that up and running. First thing you're going to have to do is head on over to PrivacySwap.com. When you get to the home page here it shows my wallet address, but if you haven't connected there yet already, there'll be a blue button here that says connect. Go ahead and click that, link it up to your MetaMask where you're holding your PRV tokens, and you will see your address populate right there. Next thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and go to farms. If you go to farms, you can see these first two are up and running. We got 17, almost 1800%, almost 1900% on the BUSD LP. I mean, that's an amazing APR, something I'm happy with. And while that's in there, we're getting a 40x multiplier, so we can continue to earn PRV tokens. So first thing we're going to have to do is mint our PRV BNB LP stake token, or BUSD if you prefer. I personally am not holding any BUSD. Even though the APR is slightly higher, I am massively bullish on BNB for this year, so I prefer to keep my all my funds in BNB. What you're going to have to do is, I already did this in a previous video, but it will say approve contract there. If you want to approve the contract, go ahead and click it there. It will look like this. Load up your MetaMask, and it will charge you 20 cents. Just click on confirm, and that will get you to this stage here where you are ready to stake. Now, after that's done, you're going to have to go ahead and mint the LP token. How do we do this? We have to go to liquidity. And this is very, very important, guys. Pancake has just migrated from their V1 model to V2. So we need to make sure when we provide our liquidity, we select the V2 on the bottom of the screen. Then we can go in, find our PRV token. If it's not there already when you type it in, all you have to do is copy and paste the contract address, the same one you punched in order to purchase your PRV. So you load that up there. Also important, you select liquidity instead of swap. Go ahead and click add liquidity, PRV. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and click max, and I can see that I am now almost 3.6% of this pool. That means every time someone swaps BNB for PRV or PRV for BNB, 4% of these transactions are funneled into our wallet. Now, this amount will slowly dwindle down over time to this, the same kind of returns that we're seeing on, some of the larger pairs for Uniswap and Pancake. Because as liquidity in these pools grows, it's distributed more and more to the holders and early adopters of this project. And at the rate these guys are going, that it's going to be a beautiful year. Beautiful year is all I can say. So go ahead and click supply, confirm supply, and that will open up your MetaMask wallet right here. So it's going to approve my spend. I'm adding an equal amount of my PRV tokens and BNB, and we've just submitted that across the blockchain now. Hey guys, okay, so that took a few minutes to go through, a little bit longer than expected, but now we have minted our LP token. This LP token we can think of basically like a digital receipt that shows us in our MetaMask wallet that we have provided liquidity in a 1-to-1 ratio, whether it's BNB for and PRV or BUSD and PRV. We can then we can return this LP token at any time to pull our liquidity back. Or we can take our LP tokens and stake them now on this farm. And this will continue to generate passive yield for us as this platform grows. And at the rate these guys are growing, I'm thinking we may come quite close to triple digits in the next few months. So I personally am letting it ride. What we need to do for the next step, for that extra piece of passive income, is go ahead and head on over to Farms. Make sure your wallet is connected in the top right-hand corner. And then, like I showed you earlier, go ahead and click Approve Contract on whichever pair you are going to provide to. And it will pop up in your MetaMask. Charge you 20 cents to put that transaction through, and that will bring you to the next stage where it will look like this. And you can go ahead and click Stake. When you click Stake, you can load up all of your LP tokens, which will automatically be in your MetaMask from the previous step. Click Confirm. And beautiful. So now we go ahead and click Confirm. And we are just pending a confirmation on the blockchain. And we are steps away from having our first PRV BNB farm. All right, guys, I got hung up for a little bit on a business call, but you can see here that, wow, it's been 1 hour since we staked this LP token, and already we've earned more than 1 PRV. So that's 10 bucks, just earned on autopilot, 24 hours a day, completely hands-free. You can see why yield farming is one of the most profitable models out here in the DeFi space. This is one of the one of the farming platforms that I am most excited about. If you want to harvest your PRV, you can go ahead and click Harvest here. It'll open up your MetaMask. You click Confirm, and that will automatically send all of the PRV earned on your farm back to your MetaMask, which you can then choose to either reinvest by creating more LP tokens to compound your interest, or as you wish. I'm going to be personally continuing to compound this, probably not hourly like this, just from a time standpoint, but come back and check in on it every day or so, continuously adding more liquidity and compounding the interest earned here. Now, I'm really excited about this platform. Currently, the team has been working hard behind the scenes to get more farms up and running. These first 2 are launched for now, but there are a number of other pairs coming. And being early on these things has immense rewards to it. So if this is your first experience with yield farming, I'm really happy you guys were able to hop on this one. I know you guys can be happy with the results at the end of this month. And as these guys continue to build the platform out, offer more pairs and more farming options, I mean, the opportunities are just endless here, guys. We are on the ground floor here. This is just the beginning, and it's going to be an amazing few months and a couple of years to come. So, if this is your guys' first farm, congratulations. I wish you guys an amazing weekend. Happy trading, happy investing, happy farming, and I will see you guys on the next video.